everyone! This is just a really fast tutorial to answer any questions you might have about your hyperlinks. So this is a question we get all the time, which is how to access your hyperlinks. So if you've run into a problem with Goodnotes or Notability and your hyperlinks don't seem to be working, just follow these few simple steps. So we're going to start here in Goodnotes, and as you can see, I have my file open, but when I click on the tabs, they are not going to the different sections. The reason for this is that we are currently in edit mode in Goodnotes. So edit mode will always have this extra toolbar here with all of the different features and functions that we can use in Goodnotes. In order to use our hyperlink tabs as designed, you have to be in preview mode, which is a little different. So you can toggle between edit mode and preview mode just by clicking this little pencil button right up here, and you can tell the difference because edit mode will have the toolbar and preview mode will not. So now you can go ahead and click anywhere and you will be able to see that the hyperlinks are working as promised. So there is a way to access the hyperlinks in edit mode in Goodnotes. It just takes a slightly extra step. So instead of just being able to tap on the hyperlink and it going to the destination you want, you just have to press and hold, and when this little menu pops up, just say open link and it'll bring you to the page that you're looking to go to. So that's how to make sure your hyperlinks are working in Goodnotes. So if you run into a problem with that, that is how you solve it. We're also going to take a quick look at Notability, so that's coming up next. So in Notability, it's a similar sort of thing. So there is the edit mode, which is just used by these buttons over here, which give you your basic functions for how Notability works. And then there's this little hand tool, which allows you to kind of just select and zoom and all of that. The hyperlinks will work best in the hand mode. So if you see this little hand on the side and it's blue, your hyperlinks should work great. You should be able to filter through them all just as you would expect to. If the hand tool is not selected and something else is selected, like the pen tool, you can still get to the hyperlinks, but this little pop-up menu is going to pop up when you click on it, and you just have to press go to link, and then you will be able to go there. So it's just a little extra step that I know has some people confused, so I just wanted to clarify that so you would be ready whenever you are using your character journal. So thanks for joining us, and check out our other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!